Hello, I'm Bhumi. Today I will make age calculator. So let's get started. First, I have this background color. It is cucumber, the vegetable. Okay, now I need a label, and I will put it. Enter your current year. That means the year now. It is 2021. So current should be capital. So front family won't be this one. It should be Arial. Front size a little big, like this, and over here. Great. Yeah. Now I need this text input. This should be y, and that's all. Now duplicate. Now over here, this will say enter your birth year. Oopsie, that's wrong. Here it is. So what's this? Oh, but yeah, birth year. Birth year should come here. Birth year should come here. That's something. Rhyme or okay, so like this, and right now I need this label 3. This should be label 3 only, like this, and this should be the button. This will say calculate. Calculator. Okay, whatever. Calculate. Okay, so I have the code. You can just copy this. So this is button 1 over here. You need to put, and label 3. This is label 3. Text input 1. This is text input 1. Text input 2. It is this. So I will run. So now it is 2021, and I was born at, but I didn't born. I'm not going to say the year. So it was 2001. Whoa, 20. So I'm 20 years. Okay, so it is in left over here, left. So let me put in center, and front size a little bit. I don't know where I'm putting it. Okay, like this. Now let's do this. 2021, and this 787. That's great. So right now I'll publish this. Okay, now what can I do? What is left? Okay, now it is left to say bye bye. See you at the next video. Like and share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye, alligators who are watching this video. Bye bye.